The 200-meter-long, largely automated assembly line at the Le Mans production center has a capacity of 100 cabs a day. A cab leaves the assembly area once every 7 minutes. The production team turns a simple glass and steel structure into a cab by fitting it with around 1,000 parts to precisely defined standards. All along the automated assembly line, different components, dashboard, steering, braking system, roof, seats, mud guards, and so on, are pre-assembled in production boxes before delivery to the main production area. The individual workstations use network tools and ergonomic aids to make the production team's work easier. A modern tracking system helps assembly line staff to develop a sense of responsibility, resulting in an extremely high quality of work at all times. Every cab is unique. Every cab is assembled to order and fitted with the electronic intelligence needed to control the functions the customer has ordered. Throughout the production process, the simulated operating functions for each tractor are tested on test rigs with around 260 control points. Before the cab leaves the assembly line, every detail is subjected to another full comprehensive check. When these checks are complete, it can head for the main tractor assembly line. Claas Industrietechnik, CIT, is a subsidiary of Claas with headquarters in Paderborn in Germany. CIT has been developing and manufacturing axles, transmissions, corn crackers and hydraulic and electronic components since 1957. 16 processing stations are used for fully automatic machining of individual components. They work with utmost precision. After each stage of machining, every housing or transmission component is thoroughly cleaned, often with compressed air, to ensure that the drive units are completely reliable even under extreme conditions. The staff have been trained according to the standards that apply in the automobile industry. They assemble around 700 transmission components into a drive unit using the appropriate processes and tools. Tailored manufacturing solutions give the staff the best possible support when building the various assemblies, ensuring that the quality of the finished units is consistently high. In addition to the continuous quality control process that is applied to all parts and processes, every EQ200 transmission is tested for 30 minutes on a test rig, once assembly is complete. During this time, the transmission operates under load so that all its functions can be checked. The transmissions are then packed into a protective container and sent to Le Mans. GIMA, Groupement International de Mécanique Agricole, is a joint venture in which Claas holds a 50% share. GIMA manufactures around 25,000 transmissions a year, including the quadri-shift and hexa-shift transmissions and rear axle for Arion and Axion tractors. GIMA, which is based in Beauvais, approximately 75 kilometers north of Paris, occupies a factory area of 43,000 square meters and employs 1,000 staff. The quadri-shift and hexa-shift transmissions are developed by GIMA according to specific Claas requirements. GIMA also manufactures most of the gear wheels, shafts and housings for the various sub-assemblies on Claas machines, using 25,000 tons of steel and cast iron, which are processed by 105 machine tools. The machines are replaced constantly to ensure that they always produce top-quality finished parts and guarantee a highly efficient manufacturing process. The transmissions and rear axles are assembled on two different lines. The quadri-shift and hexa-shift power shift module and splitter group module are pre-assembled at separate stations. They are then assembled and a test run is carried out. The rear axles are also fitted with the linkage and other hydraulic components on the assembly line. Routing sheets are used to ensure that the right components are assembled for each other. From machining of the first gear wheels to final assembly, the production team checks all the parts and assembly groups throughout the production process with the aid of quality gates. All the rear axles and transmissions are tested after final assembly. 175 checks are carried out to ensure that every drive unit is working perfectly. Every hexashift or quadri-shift transmission is paired with the appropriate rear axle before the drive unit is transported to Le Mans. At Le Mans, we have invested 10 million euros in an ultra-modern paint shop where we can paint up to 100 chassis units a day. In the paint shop, a 350-meter-long conveying system can transport tractor chassis units up to a total weight of 8 tons. The entire work cycle in the paint shop lasts about 4 hours. The parts are first degreased by robots, followed by chemical cleaning. They are then rinsed, dried, and painted. Painting robots have made it possible to reduce paint consumption to just 2 to 4 kilograms per tractor while also improving the paint quality. The paint shop is also connected to a wastewater recycling plant. Quality controls on the recycled water have enabled us to minimize the paint shop's water consumption and therefore to reduce its environmental impact. As a result, the paint quality of Claas Tractors meets the high quality standards of Claas products at all times. The engine, transmission, front and rear axles, and hydraulic components are combined into a sub-assembly and then painted. Electronic systems help the staff to select the components, and pre-programmed bolting systems ensure that every single bolt or screw is tightened to the correct torque. All the support systems are extremely user-friendly to ensure that the staff get the best possible assistance. In order to maintain the high-quality standards expected from Claas, we schedule in 20,000 hours of training every year to enable all production staff to get the qualifications they need. As a result, the quality and efficiency of our manufacturing processes are improving all the time. The 500-meter-long final assembly line also uses the mixed production principle. Daily staff briefings take place throughout the factory, giving every production team an opportunity to exchange ideas about quality-relevant topics and receive feedback on daily production performance. These short 5-minute meetings reinforce the we feeling among staff within the team and improve their response time, allowing further refinement of the production process. The components responsible for exhaust aftertreatment, catalytic converter and particulate filter, and the appropriate cooling system and other auxiliary components, starter motor, alternator, and so on, are added at the final assembly stage. All these components are specified and developed by Claas according to the CPS, Claas Power Systems philosophy. In just 7 minutes, 12 bolts are tightened, 10 hydraulic lines and 7 sockets for the onboard electronics are connected up to marry the cab with its chassis. Perfect synchronization of all the workflows is crucial at this stage. The tractor is then filled with oil and fuel, and the bonnet and tires are fitted as specified in the order. After final assembly, tractors are tested on test rigs and a test track to check the braking system, steering, linkages, and transmission performance. After the final stage of testing, a delivery passport is issued to certify all the checks carried out during the production process. A light tunnel with an output of 10,400 lumen is used to inspect aspects such as the paint quality, the workmanship of the cab equipment, and the cleanliness of the finished product once again. Quality inspectors score all the functions of the new tractors step by step, following a defined test protocol presented on a tablet. Opening and closing of the bonnet and doors, radiator folding, accessibility of the maintenance points, and so forth. All these control points are defined through close collaboration between sales staff and the Claas factory. Feedback from farmers helps Claas to improve its processes all the time. Quality inspectors are trained to assess the end product through the eyes of the most demanding customers. Tractors do not receive their delivery passport until they've passed this series of tests. This certificate of quality confirms that every Claas product satisfies the high quality requirements demanded by Claas. At a location close to Le Mans, Claas has invested 10 million euros in an ultra-modern 15 hectares test center and a 3-kilometer test track. A team of 50 staff has the job of testing the prototypes under extreme conditions. I'm Nicolas Cotineau. I'm a member of the project team with responsibility for coordinating the endurance trials and performance tests. For the tests, the tractors are fitted with dozens of sensors. The data collected is used to optimize tractor comfort, performance, as well as their handling. After the initial tests on the test rig, further trials take place on test tracks, on the road and in the field. These are some of the most modern high-performance facilities in Europe. On the first test rig, we assess and measure tractor performance. The wheels and PTO are separately connected to generators with an output of 500 kilowatt each. This testing station can simulate extreme load peaks, including situations in which the engine output is delivered via a single wheel for a short period. This automated facility can simulate 50 operating hours under real field conditions within 1 hour. Engine, transmission and PTO management can also be optimized by repeating the operating cycles. The structure of the tractors is tested on the 4-section test rig, which is 4 hydraulic cylinders. With a lifting capacity of 25 tons each and a stroke of 40 centimeters per hydraulic cylinder, this rig is capable of testing even the heaviest of Claas machines. The hydraulic cylinder movements simulate tractor movements recorded under normal operating conditions in the field. These sequences reflect operating situations in many different parts of the world, enabling us to simulate operating conditions in Russia, the USA, and Africa. Because test rig trials cannot completely replace field trials and customer opinions, Claas has around 100 partner farms in France and around the world where products are tested for over 50,000 operating hours under real-world conditions. For example, a tractor's ability to withstand extremely low temperatures can be tested in Sweden. Tractors are also tested under African conditions, extreme heat and dust. German farms are used to fine-tune the continuously variable somatic transmissions. Our visits also help us to enter into dialogue with farmers who report their impressions. This information is extremely useful for optimization of the end product. The status of the 500 trials and endurance tests is regularly presented to the project team in the form of reports. The new tractor is not given the go-ahead for production until the tests have been completed successfully.